Hello, enthusiast! Welcome to Cardio Forte for Life, where we empower you to take charge of your heart health naturally. Today, we're diving into a powerful science-backed smoothie that can help improve circulation, boost nitric oxide levels, and support healthy blood pressure. This isn't just another health trend, it's a natural formula based on foods that have been scientifically proven to help the heart function at its best. So grab your blender, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make and use this Berry Beet Blast to support a stronger, cleaner cardiovascular system. Why your heart needs this smoothie. Your heart works 24/7, pumping blood, delivering oxygen, and keeping your entire body alive. But over time, poor diet, stress, and inactivity can reduce nitric oxide levels in your body. Nitric oxide, NO, is the molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and open up, improving blood flow, reducing pressure, and preventing plaque buildup. When nitric oxide levels drop, arteries stiffen, blood pressure rises, and circulation weakens. This smoothie is designed to naturally restore nitric oxide levels using powerful plant-based ingredients, particularly beets, berries, and leafy greens. The Berry Beet Blast Smoothie recipe. Let's start with what goes into this powerful heart tonic. Here's what you'll need. 1 small beetroot, raw or steamed. Rich in natural nitrates, beets are a direct nitric oxide booster. They help open arteries, improve circulation, and support oxygen delivery throughout the body. Half cup blueberries, packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect artery walls and reduce oxidative stress. Half cup strawberries or raspberries, excellent for reducing inflammation and helping maintain healthy cholesterol levels. 1 small banana, adds potassium, which helps balance sodium levels and supports healthy blood pressure. 1 tablespoon flax seeds or chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce arterial inflammation. 1 cup spinach or kale, provides plant-based nitrates and magnesium, 2 vital nutrients for heart rhythm and vascular health. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or water, keeps it light, smooth, and low in calories. Optional. 1 teaspoon honey or a squeeze of lemon for taste and vitamin C support. Blend until smooth. And there you have it, your Berry Beet Blast. The science behind the ingredients. Let's go deeper into how each of these ingredients helps your heart. Beets, nature's nitric oxide booster. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This gas helps relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Studies show that drinking beetroot juice can lower systolic blood pressure by 4 to 10 millimeters of mercury within hours of consumption. That's as effective as some mild medications, but completely natural. Berries, protecting arteries from within berries, contain anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their deep red and blue color. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, strengthen blood vessel walls, and improve cholesterol balance. Regular berry consumption is linked with a 23% reduced risk of heart attack according to Harvard studies, thanks to their role in improving arterial flexibility and reducing inflammation. Leafy greens, the silent circulation enhancers, spinach, kale, and arugula, contain nitrates and magnesium, both crucial for healthy circulation. Magnesium helps arteries stay relaxed, preventing constriction that leads to high blood pressure. In one clinical study, participants who ate nitrate-rich greens daily showed a significant 12% increase in arterial elasticity. Seeds, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Flax seeds and chia seeds deliver omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber. They lower triglycerides, reduce arterial inflammation, and support cholesterol balance. 1 tablespoon daily can improve overall lipid profiles and stabilize blood pressure naturally. Bananas, the potassium balancer. High sodium and low potassium is a dangerous combination for your arteries. Bananas are loaded with potassium, which helps your body eliminate excess sodium, reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. What happens? Inside your body, once you drink this smoothie, the nitrates from beets and greens start converting into nitric oxide inside your bloodstream. Within just 2 to 3 hours, you'll notice subtle changes. You feel more energized because oxygen delivery improves. Blood pressure stabilizes as arteries relax. Circulation enhances, especially to your extremities, hands and feet. Over consistent use, Say, drinking this smoothie 4 to 5 times a week, you can experience better endurance and stamina, healthier skin due to improved oxygenation, more stable blood pressure and cholesterol. When and how to drink it for maximum benefits. Timing matters. Best time: morning on an empty stomach or before exercise. Why? Nitric oxide production peaks when you're hydrated and moving, enhancing oxygen flow during workouts or daily activities. How often? 4 to 5 times per week is ideal. Tip: pair this smoothie with Cardio Forte 4, Life's L-Arginine supplement to amplify nitric oxide production. Together, the plant nitrates and L-Arginine form a powerful synergy that enhances blood flow naturally. Additional heart-boosting habits. This smoothie works best when combined with other heart-healthy habits. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration makes blood thicker. Add daily movement. Walking 20 to 30 minutes boosts circulation naturally. Limit processed salt and sugar. Manage stress. Deep breathing and mindfulness lower blood pressure significantly. Sleep well. Poor sleep raises cortisol. Bonus tip: the nitric oxide synergy. Your body's nitric oxide levels naturally decline by about 1% every year after age 30. That's why fatigue, slow recovery, and blood pressure issues become more common with age. But the combination of beets, greens, and L-Arginine from Cardio Forte 4 Life replenishes those levels naturally, giving your arteries the relaxation signal they need to stay young and flexible. When nitric oxide flows, your heart thrives. FAQs and common myths. Q. Can I use beetroot powder instead of fresh beets? Yes. Just make sure it's 100% pure beetroot powder. No added sugars or fillers. Q. What if I don't like the earthy taste of beets? Add more berries or a dash of cinnamon. The flavor becomes sweet, rich, and refreshing. Q. Can diabetics drink it? Absolutely. This smoothie is naturally low in sugar and rich in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Your heart never takes a break, and neither should your care for it. By adding this simple Berry Beet Blast to your daily routine, you're not just improving circulation, you're nurturing your heart, fueling your cells, and reclaiming your energy. Small daily choices create lifelong strength. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, start your morning with this smoothie and notice the difference in your focus, stamina, and overall well-being. And remember, Cardio Forte 4. Life is here to support you with the best of nature and science combined. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's build a heart-healthy community, one small choice at a time. Stay strong, stay healthy, and take care of your heart.